MistrMopar checking in again. Some of my subscribers know me personally, they know what I do. For those that don't, what I do for a living is I sell used auto parts online, mostly eBay, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, etc. I only sell original OEM parts and only in the best quality. Now, anything that I buy to sell, headlights, taillights, mirrors, anything like that, I buff them, I make them look good before I sell them. So I'm going to show you the process that I go through, and I'm going to give you an example here. These are Toyota 4Runner taillights. You can see how cloudy that one looks. I have not touched that one yet. This one I just finished buffing. You can see there is a literal night and day difference. Now, what I use is a 3M machine polish, the number 2. For the most part, this will take out light swirls, scratches. It will take the haze and the dullness off the lens. Yellowing on the lens, it will clear that up. Some of the times, if it's got like the clear coat finish that's starting to flake and peel, it won't fix that. So I'm going to show you what I do anyways. This works really well. You can see even the black. You hit that with a buffer and it makes these lights look 100% better. Pass that to you. Just give it a little bit like that. I've got a Bauer brand buffer myself that I bought from Harbor Freight. Actually, it's variable speed. It works great. 600 RPMs. At first, I smear my polish around. Make sure I've got a good covering. You can already see how much better that lens is looking. Quick and easy. Looks 100 times better. And I'll show you on the black here too. It makes it look a lot better. I'll include my eBay link in the description for those that may be looking for any used parts at a reasonable price. I am a top rated seller. I do have 100% positive seller feedback over 5 years now. I personally pull, prepare, package and ship all of my parts myself, so there's no discrepancies, no chance for error with somebody else handling it. And as you can see, this is the light that I just started with, and it looks 100 times better. These are genuine Toyota tail lights. I only sell OEM parts. Anybody looking, feel free to check out the link. It will be in the description.